everybody, welcome to our channel. My name is Kimi from Haftonar Institute of Turkey. Today I'm going to teach you how to talk about some jobs in Turkish. Follow me. So you're seeing a bank in the right side. Bank in Turkish is so similar to its English. It's banka. Banka. This one is Turkey Banka, İş Bankası, İş Bankası, Garanti Bankası, Ziraat Bankası. Say the name. Let's go. In general, in Turkish, when someone is selling something or doing some job, you just have to say the name of the product and add it to a G. For example, if someone is selling some popcorn or some corn, you're gonna have to say Mısır G. Corn in Turkish is Mısır, and the person who sells corn is Mısır G. Now we have another place here. They're selling some famous bread. This is one of the most famous breads in Turkey. It's called simit. So the person who sells simit in Turkish would be simitçi. Simitçi. Simitçi. Look at this accessory store. Simply because they're selling accessories, the job itself is called aksesuarcı. So let's learn how to talk about some accessories. A bracelet. A bracelet in Turkish is bileklik. Bileklik. A necklace. Oh, just like mine. A necklace in Turkish is kolye. Kolye. Kolye is necklace. Earrings. Earrings. Let's find some. There's no earrings. Oh my god. Yeah, earrings. Earrings are küpe. Küpe. Küpe. Don't forget that. Earrings are küpe. Küpe. Yüzük. The ring. Rings in rings in any kind is yüzük. Yüzük. I have yüzük, for example. Yüzük, yüzük, yüzük. In plural, you have to say yüzükler. Yüzükler. It means more than one ring. Rings. What else? What kind of accessory do we have? What is this? Baby bottle. Okay guys, this is the newest accessory in Turkey. I don't know how to translate. Bebek sütü. Woo! I'm hearing some live music, guys. Live music in Turkish is canlı müzik. Canlı müzik. Let's go listen to some canlı müzik.
So good, so good, got you. So good, so good. I'm getting you.
Musicians. We had some street musicians apparently. Musicians in Turkish is musician. Musician. Guys, they're giving a break now because of azan. It's a cultural thing in Turkey when azan is on, as you can hear it. No music is allowed, so they're giving a break now and they're gonna continue after azan is finished. If you're in Turkey doing some shoppings and you're out of change and you're looking for an exchange office, you're gonna have to look for döviz. An exchange office in Turkish is döviz. Döviz. Hello, my name is Kimi from Haftaner Institute of Turkey. Now I've prepared some of the jobs which I'm going to teach you in Turkish. Repeat after me. A doctor. Doctor in Turkish is doktor, doktor. An engineer. An engineer in Turkish is mühendis. Mühendis. Repeat after me. Mühendis. A lawyer. A lawyer in Turkish means avukat. Avukat. Avukat means lawyer. What else? A pilot. Pilot in Turkish is kind of similar. Pilot. Pilot. Pilot is a pilot in Turkish. An employee in general, a person who works for someone else, in Turkish is çalışan. A person who works. Çalışan or personel. Personel or çalışan means employee. Police. Police, I think it's international. So in Turkey, it is also police. Police is everywhere. Police. Respect. A hairdresser. A hairdresser, a person who cuts hair, is in Turkish kuaför. Kuaför. It's a little bit tricky for me. But repeat after me. Kuaför. Kuaför. Or you can say berber. Berber. Both is correct. A writer. Whether it's a songwriter, whether it's a book writer, a writer in Turkish is yazar. A person who writes. Yazar. Yazar. Yazar. A dentist. A dentist in Turkish is diş hekimi. What? Diş hekimi. Diş is tooth or teeth. Diş hekim. Hekim in general it means Turkish, but in the old Turkish. So diş hekimi means dentist. A person who plays something, a person who plays an instrument or is a musician. We call it musicien. And depending on which instrument does he or she plays, we name the instrument itself and add "c" to it. For example, if I'm a musician and if I'm playing piano, we say piyanocu or gitarcı. For a guitar player, we say gitarcı. For a violin player, we say kemancı. Keman is a violin, so a violin player is kemancı. A dancer. I am a dancer. Dancer in Turkish is dansçı. Yeah, welcome to my world. Dansçı. In general, when a person has a profession or has a talent or does something, in Turkish they add "c" to the profession or talent or skill that they have. For example, if I'm singing, I am şarkıcı. Şarkıcı is a singer. Singer, şarkıcı. Dancer, dansçı. Guitar player, gitarcı. A tattoo artist, however, dövme, which is tattoo, dövmeci. Just add "g" to every profession. It will do the work. No, I'm kidding. It's not for all. So, an accountant. An accountant in Turkish is damn. Okay, an accountant in Turkish is muhasebeci. What? Okay. Repeat after me. Muhasebe, accountant. G. G is still there, you see? A person who counts things. Muhasebeci. It's interesting. Oh, check this out. Actor. An actor or an actress. Well, as you know, in Turkish we don't separate female or male. So an actress or an actor in any kind is oyuncu. Again, we have cu. A person who plays roles. Oyuncu. Oyuncu means an actor or actress. Gardener. Okay. A gardener. A gardener in Turkish is bahçıvan. Repeat after me. Bahçıvan. Bahçıvan. Okay, that's all. Thank you for learning these professions and jobs with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.